sir, urgent need to address stray dog attacks on tourists at Kavalosim beach. In view of the fear and anxiety prevailing among residents, beach visitors and the tourism fraternity following the shocking mauling of a British tourist by a pack of stray dogs during an early morning walk on the Kavalosim beach in Benaulim constituency, Salset Taluka. I draw the urgent attention of the government to the serious threat posed by packs of stray dogs roaming freely along several beaches in Salset. This incident is not isolated. Similar attacks have been reported in recent months in which even children and senior citizens visiting the beaches have been mauled and injured. Such incidents seriously endanger human life and damage the reputation of Goa as a safe tourism destination. I therefore urge the government to immediately conduct a special drive to round up all the stray dogs from the Kavalosim Mobor beach stretch and other vulnerable beaches in Salset and shift them to a recognized shelter. I also seek a clear assurance from the Honorable Minister for Animal Husbandry, the Honorable Minister for Tourism and the Honorable Chief Minister that coordinated action will be taken immediately to remove these stray dogs and ensure the safety of residents and tourists. Ata poiri zala, when a walk was happening, a British tourist has been mauled. And this situation zaita, I think an urgent attention because we are in peak of this summer season and a lot of tourists are there, which is good for the state. So compulsory owners sterilization and vaccination zori tori amchan kaida adpa jata and thanks for the thing orpa ta. Ye maksata if CM can जावपा जाय आता in the next few days if you can give a note or at least say something about it. काय म्हणा?
ऑलरेडी आम्ही त्याचेर काम सुरू केला वेटरनरी मिनिस्टरने आम्ही सगळ्या NGO मेळोवणी करता जाता तितके बेगीन सोल्युशन काडटा.